Hi, my name is Ellen McDowell, and I'm your instructor for this class, Connecting More Quickly on LinkedIn with an Introductory Video. I have been helping entrepreneurs, small business owners, and professionals understand how to use social media and make it to where it is less overwhelming. I have been using an introductory video on LinkedIn because I feel like it makes a connection, looking somebody eye to eye, and it's just more personal. Let me show you. You can see here I have recorded a 1-minute video that I send to somebody as a message. LinkedIn likes this because the message and the video plays within the LinkedIn platform so that nobody is taken off of LinkedIn. It's not a link to YouTube. It is not a link to Vimeo or whatever else you're using. It keeps people within the LinkedIn program. It keeps them more focused on what they're doing and delays that transition time. So I want to help you do this as well. This class will be taught in several videos. We're going to cover what to say. We've all gotten those introductions that are like 5 paragraphs long, but it just tell everybody what that person does and doesn't seem to want to know anything about what you do. So we're going to go over exactly what to say. How do you share enough about what you do and then seem interested in learning more about your new connection? We will then go over how to record the video, whether it is to use a webcam like I use or your Android, your iPhone, whatever you have, you're going to be able to do this. Usually when you're recording, you have to cut off the front and the back, so we'll go over some methods to edit it out so that you get exactly what you want to say and not those times when you're flustering trying to find the button. We all do that. I will show you how to upload that video to LinkedIn and then how to share it directly as a message so it shows up in the LinkedIn messaging and people can play it right there. I just love how this works for me, and I want to share it with you so that you can do it as well. I hope that you'll connect with me on LinkedIn so that I can see your introductory video, although I also want you to upload it to this class so that we can look at it, maybe give you some critiques before you put it out there on LinkedIn. I also hope you'll follow me on other social media sites. If you go to my website, ellenmcdowell.com, scroll to the bottom, it has the links to all of my social media where I am. Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, wherever you are most, probably I'm there too. So I look forward to sharing this with you. Let's go get started with the class.